Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for checking back in. And tonight I have a pretty fun unboxing. And to open said box, we are going to open it with this bad boy. One of my newer purchases. This is the Worksharp RMX in a reverse Tonto blade. It is a CPM 3V blade. It's got a magnesium handle. One really unique feature of this is that they ship it in a manual mode and then give you the parts to take apart this the action and put in a spring for an automatic deployment. Really cool feature. Don't know of any other knives like that. And it is super lightweight. It's got a magnesium handle, and that is another unique feature. Pocket clip on the back, and you'll learn to know that I do love lanyards, so I am a little sad that there's no lanyard. Good size choil, so you can get in there with your hand and get really intense cutting if you need it. So we don't need intense cutting. We're just opening up this box here. Super sharp blade. This 3V steel. Its edge retention is it's a pretty affordable steel. Where it really excels is its toughness. It's got an HRC of about 59. Edge retention is about a 6 out of 10, and corrosion resistance is mid tier as well, about a 5 out of 10. So very fun knife. Very affordable automatic knife as well. If you are interested in that, let me know. I will steer you in the right direction. All right, let's pull out the paperwork. Pull out some more paperwork. And we've got a hint. Kershaw. Another unboxing. Very cool. One other thing that I wanted to do was compare a couple of knives just to see how, or show how lightweight this knife is from Worksharp. So let's put on the Civivi Quibbit, 82 grams. Let's put on the Benchmade Infidel, 139 grams. Let's put on, and this is approximate because I've got a lanyard on here that I'm not gonna cut off, but I'm gonna hold the lanyard up on my Benchmade Claymore. So holding it up, we're about 110 grams with the lanyard, 126 grams. And now let's throw the Worksharp on, 68 grams. So it's half the weight of the Infidel and my Claymore with a lanyard, which is really impressive. And it's an automatic. I'd be hard pressed to find a more lightweight automatic knife than the Worksharp RMX. If you've got any ideas, let me know. I'm in the market for automatics, especially lightweight ones. Leave a comment below and maybe I'll just check that out. So without further ado, let's get into this Kershaw. We're going to open this box up. I've been waiting all day to do this reveal. It's a Kershaw, my first Kershaw. It's an automatic. You put the silica pack right there in the oh, that is so nice. And it's a Livewire. Oh man, I love that blade. So this is the Kershaw Livewire with a reverse Tonto blade. Let's see how much it weighs. 91. So compare that to, this is an automatic. We said about 110 on this for the actual knife. In that range, yeah. What was this? 91. And the Infidel, 139. 91. So, wow. Really awesome knife. This has, this is Magna Cut. So this is one of the most popular steels out there. Let's see. There you go. Magna Cut. Super cool. US made. So there's good, this does feel so good in the hand, and the action on that blade is impressive. The pocket clip, we'll see how that works. I've heard some people say it's too short, not good enough. We'll see. And it doesn't have a glass breaker, which I'm okay with. I don't break a lot of glass with my knives. So that is my unboxing for today. I do have another knife coming that I'm excited for, and stay tuned. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. If you like it, leave me a comment below so I can keep on making more content. Let me know if there's things you want to see as well. Thank you again. Dan for All Out.